Hi guys, happy Valentine's Day to all. This is what I get this Valentine's Day. Ayan. Shoutout pala kay Ate Ampi. Thank you sa pag-receive nito sa baba. Na-busy ako. Hindi ko napansin yung cellphone ko. Ayan. Ito yung padala ni tatay. Kaya pala may nagre-ring doon sa cellphone kong isa. Dinided na ko lang. Made with love, sealed for safety. Ayan, magkano to? Si tatay talaga, 661 pa yan, May pa 3, po, yun, so sweet. Para to kay ate siya at kay nanay. Ayan. Ano kaya to? Unboxing. Unboxing. Kailan ang inspiration nito, February 21. Consume before February 21 daw. So, we have to tanggal na this one. Kala ko nakalimutan na ako ni tatay. Magtatampo na sana ako, char. Hindi, totoo talaga. Masaya sana ako hindi nagbigay si tatay. Kasi, sabi ko, hindi naman, padala po si tatay. Grabe, effort talagang tatay ni Shasha. Uy. Thank you, tatay. Love you so much. Ayan, may pa Jollibee pa daw. Ayun, may pa Jollibee pa daw si tatay. Sabi ko, wag na, okay na to. Okay, so bye and thanks for watching, guys. This is what I got this Valentine's Day. Bye-bye. Happy Valentine's Day to all. Hope you're all happy too. God bless.